A smart move in the defense sector, a full acquisition, and a stock price surge from 574 to 2,578 over the last 2 years, giving investors an excellent return of 349%. With India's defense budget increasing and indigenous procurement on the rise, is this the next big winner? Stay tuned. Hello there and welcome to another exciting edition of Noisemaker, where we screen through the noise to uncover hidden gems in the stock market. I'm Mridul Mishra, Equity Research Analyst at Desvelado Advisory. In today's segment, we analyze two companies making moves that could fuel their long-term growth. As always, this is not a buy or sell recommendation of any sort. Today's lineup includes Sika Interplant Systems Ltd and Senores Pharmaceuticals Ltd. The first company, Sika Interplant Systems Ltd, is an engineering-driven company focused on providing products, systems and services to aerospace defense. The company has recently acquired the remaining 49.14% stake in Aerotek Sika Aviosystems Private Limited for 11.45 lakhs, gaining full control over its subsidiary. With India's defense budget rising by 6% year-on-year to 6.81 lakh crore in FY26, Sika stands to benefit from the increased defense procurement under the Atmanirbhar Bharat initiative. Financially, in Q3 FY25, revenue stood at 39.3 crores, reflecting a 13.8% quarter-on-quarter growth. EBITDA margins remained stable at 20.6% and net profit margins improved to 18.2%. Up by 30 basis points from the previous quarter. With strong presence in the defense sector and increasing government spending on indigenous defense procurement, Sika is well positioned for long-term growth. The second company, Senores Pharmaceuticals Ltd, is a research-driven pharmaceutical company specializing in affordable complex generics for regulated markets like US, Canada and the UK. The company has inaugurated a new greenfield API facility in Mehsana, Gujarat with an installed capacity of 100 metric tons per annum. This expansion enhances its manufacturing capabilities and strengthens its competitiveness in the regulated market. The company aims for FY26 revenues of 670 to 700 crores, driven by its expansion in the contract development and manufacturing organization business. Financially, in Q3 FY25, revenue came in at 108 crores, reflecting a 35% year-on-year growth. EBITDA margins expanded to 25%, up by 600 basis points from last year, and net profit margins improved to 15.5% from 8.9% last year. With aggressive expansions and increasing global presence, Senores Pharmaceuticals Ltd is on track for significant growth. Now let's quickly review our previous picks. Capacite Infra Projects Limited was covered at 338.6 rupees and is now trading at 323.5, down by 4.5%. Penar Industries Limited was covered at 142.8 rupees and is now trading at 172.3, up by 20.7%. Integrated Industries Limited was covered at 28.4 and is now trading at 26.9 rupees, down by 5.1%. Lumax Auto Tech Limited was covered at 555.5 and is now trading at 545, down by 1.9%. TPCL Packaging Limited was covered at 3,450.3 and is now trading at 4,120, up by 19.4%. In summary, Sika Interplant Systems Ltd acquired a remaining 49.14% stake in Aerotek Sika Aviosystems, strengthening its defense sector presence. Senores Pharmaceuticals launched a new greenfield API facility in Gujarat, boosting its manufacturing capacity in international competitiveness. That's a wrap for today's Noisemaker. For more details, check out the full report in the description. Stay tuned and stay ahead.